Here at the American University in Cairo, near the sports complex, a club is holding its first event. The AUC Cooking Club, one of the newest additions on campus, is bringing students together over a shared love for food.
AUC Cooking Club is a club of people who love to cook and who love to explore the culinary arts. I would love to teach people how to cook and explore different cuisines from around the world.
The club's launch was recently announced through social media. Within hours of its launch, the news spread across campus, drawing 73 members from different majors eager to join a space that blends creativity and cuisine.
Found in like this generation doesn't have a lot of culinary knowledge or experience, but I thought like maybe this club can like help everyone like learn how to cook, and it's a very important skill to have in general. This club like aims to broaden this skill set in everyone in the EC community.
Run entirely by students, the club is divided into 5 departments: marketing, logistics, events, PR, and social media. And today, the club is putting that mission into action. Their first event, an Italian themed cooking night.
Through hands-on experience cooking, like as you see behind me, there's an active cooking workshop going on, and this is like how people usually learn better through practical skills, and our like approach is very practical.
The event gave students the chance to explore classic recipes, from fresh pasta to chicken parmesan, all prepared from scratch.
Yeah, we're cooking chicken parmesan. We made a collaboration with the Breadfast, who they offered us a chef who can help guide everyone like through the cooking process of an Italian dish.
But why did the club's first event take place at the dorms?
The dorms is actually the best place on campus to host an on-heat event. It's well equipped by the materials and the stuff that we need.
Meanwhile, the club brought in all the fresh ingredients, from chicken and cheese to pasta and spices, setting the stage for a true Italian experience. For many, the event wasn't just about learning to cook, it was about connecting and creating memories over food.
I like the teamwork in general. I came here to make friends, and although most of the people here I know them already, it was fun getting to know more people and cooking with people.
It was very nice. It was like very individual, so we had our own tasks, and we were like also met new people. Like my team, I didn't know them before, so that was fun. Just like a good vibe. There was like music. It was very fun.
With over 60 clubs at AUC, how is the cooking club different?
So this club is really different because who doesn't like food? Who doesn't eat? It's an essential part in our life. And this club is like very diverse. We have international students. We're cooperating international students. We're cooperating national students. We're doing dishes from cuisines all around the world. So it's actually different here. And you actually get to do something on your own. You actually get to do something and taste it and eat it. You actually get to learn something, new recipes, new friends, new connections, and that's the beauty of the cooking club.
With plans for bi-weekly themed events and more students joining every semester, the AUC Cooking Club is set to become a lasting part of campus life. This is Yasmin Nabil, AUC TV, Cairo.